Hi everybody, this is Rude's Bikes. I have a post cheap bike build off update. I ordered some stuff from Velo Orange.
Cool sticker. P-clamps.
These P-clamps ended up being too big for my Specialized Rockhopper. I'm going to actually mount this to this constructor rack that I picked up at Fritz's bike shop in Worcester.
Actually got a pretty good discount because it was quite old.
I went to the hardware store to get some smaller clamps that would fit better. Here I am struggling with the use of P-clamps. It's my first time.
How do you keep these from going into the tire accidentally? Into the wheel? I guess it's just the sheer tension of it all. Like, how are we going to put a bolt there without interfering here? Which would mean I need to go into that first hole. Cut these extras off.
I find it's helpful to talk through things.
Are we going to hit that with the file?
I dropped a lot of nuts during this build.
And then what goes on there?
Here's some ASMR. Alright, it's time for a ride. This is at the Fresh Pond Park near where I live. It's about 24 degrees with the wind chill is 17. Certain times I couldn't feel my nose. And I'm heading to a popular bakery in Cambridge to get some bread and some snacks and test my new basket. I also want to take this opportunity to thank everybody who participated in the cheap bike build-off and thank the people who organized the cheap bike build-off. But I really want to thank everybody who voted for my bike. I made it through a few rounds of the cheap bike build-off, which is way better than I thought I was going to do. And I'm also really surprised by the number of people who watch my build video. If you haven't seen it, you can find it on my channel. Also really surprised by the subscribers, but also very grateful and thankful for all of you. I did make some changes to my bike, you can see. I actually got a charge spoon saddle that I picked up brand new for $10 from an outlet store. I switched the stem to this one, which brought the bars a little bit more upright and made it a bit more comfortable for me. Oh, I also got the dust caps for my pedals. Thanks for watching, and
thanks for riding along.